Now this one is equal to b minus count a. So we count in dashboard this element here in this table. Okay. We put dollars. Okay. And then we put a +1 at the end. It's always when you have a difference, then to have the number, you need to add the 1 at the end. So b 108. So the maximum position is this one, 108. Then in the dashboard here, we type the following offset. So I'm going to get the ones that is an offset from this C8. Okay, yeah, this is the one, calculation C8, and this is calculation, this is absolute reference to this. Okay, here we are gonna check this. Okay, here we are, we have our products, and here we're going to have the following. So I'm going to the developer ribbon, insert, and I get here from form controls, a ready button, like this, edit text. Okay, here we are, and this one is going to format control. I'm going to link to this one, Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. Okay, if I click on this becomes 3. Okay, we already have this. So we have our radio buttons for each KPI. Before continuing, I need to go to calculations and do the following here. This is an offset of and 0. Okay, product name 69. So data in the column C, and this in the row like this. Okay, so this is done here. C and the row 8 here on the column. Drag this down, I get all the other ones. Okay, here we are. Then I'm going to get for the KPIs, here I'm going to get another offset, reference in data, it's this one, position this, 0. Okay, again here like this, dollar here, dollar on this one. I'll drag this down. So here we are. We have created now our set of data that we are going to display there. And at the dashboard here, we're going to do a reference here. Calculation, not C8, but it's I8. And we're going to create, of course, a reference to Okay. N. I think it's correct. And yeah, okay, correct. Copy this, paste special formulas. Copy, paste special formula. Copy. Formula. Okay, so here we are. We have our. Okay, you see now that we're going to change our table, and we're going to put here a scroll bar. We'll see that in the next video.